Throwback version, your fast qualifier of Trevor Robinson. Lights on the car corner pace truck are out. John Featherston's going to bring them around. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Let's see what's going to happen here. It's Featherston and Ware. Ware going to try to get around Featherston. Looks like he just did. Garrick Fry trying to slide it up in there into third. Fry feeling the heat from Johnny Robinson the second right there on his inside. Here comes Justin Sellers. Johnny Robinson decides to grab the outside lane now. Everybody on the outside. We are single file racing. Garrick Fry ducking to the inside of John Featherston right now. Looks like the 99 of Justin Sellers ducking to the 99 of Johnny Robinson. But it's Howie Ware bringing this group around in that Joe Shear looking car. Who remembers Joe Shear? Coming around here, Garrick Fry looking to challenge John Featherston. Oh, they make contact, and they both go around. Looks like it was just a tap, but the timing of that was not too good. Maybe just a little too aggressive there. Coming out of turn 2, you just have to have a little more patience, that's all. I'm going to say no harm, no foul. Just a little bit of a flesh wound. Ware sets the pace. And he's going to bring him around. He's got a hungry Justin Sellers and a hungry Johnny Robinson right behind him. Let's see what happens. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Looking really good here on a restart. Justin Sellers challenging Johnny Robinson right off the get-go. John Featherston a little high. Coming out of turn 2. John Featherston, and we got a battle in the back between the two, but we got a battle for second as well. Whoa, Garrick Fry and John Featherston making contact again. Uh-oh, they may have to have a little, they have to have a glass of water after this race. Battle for second place ensues as Justin Sellers looks to challenge Johnny Robinson the second. And the battle in the back between John Featherston and Garrick Fry. And Sellers got a little sideways coming out of turn 4. It gave Trevor Robinson a chance to make his move and get ahead of him now. Johnny Robinson in second all by himself. Now Terrence Robinson looking to go with his brother Trevor in the 29 car. So it looks like that inside might be kind of tough right now, Rockford Speedway. It's Terrence Robinson looking to make a move here to get around Justin Sellers. White flag out for Howie Ware. We'll see if Justin Sellers can hang on to fourth. I don't know. Terrence Robinson may have it, but here comes Trevor Robinson to challenge his brother Johnny Robinson. Oh, we got a race for second now. It's going to be Ware to win. It's going to be Johnny for second, Trevor for third, Terrence for fourth, Justin Sellers for fifth, Garrick Fry for sixth, John Featherston for seventh. Wow, 3 brothers finish in second, third, and fourth. So here comes your driver coming around, pulling into the victory lane. Out of South Beloit, Illinois, 2020 Camaro SS, Area Salvage and Recycling, Byron Auto Body, Crazy Times Pub and Grub, Richie's Smokehouse Barbecue, Fielder Solutions, Welder Supply, Martin Auto, Bravo Pizza, Cincinnati Tool and Steel, Auto Beautifiers, Nason's Landscaping, CNS Auto Repair, Jammer Racing Engines, and Dyno, Napa, a Rockford East State location, Kerry Bucket, Century 21. That's a lot of sponsors. There's one more. I can't get it off here. Let's make some noise for them. We got Crazy Times on there, too. Oh, I already said that. So there, it looks like Joe Shear sitting out there in victory lane. Make some noise. It's Howie Ware.